Yo, what is up, you guys? We're gonna be back playing the Leatherface game today. We're gonna be getting revenge for the family. Since the last video, we played as the victor, and we literally died 3 times. That's how you know that the family definitely way too OP for this game, bro. That's how you know you're just supposed to play as a family. Back doing this. If y'all like this, like, subscribe. Y'all can also comment any other video games you would like me to play or that you'd see that I'd be interested in. I'm down to take anything, any advice for it. We can do it. But today, we playing as Johnny. As y'all know from Johnny, he's a little weirdo, right? He got this shit to where I guess he has like a little feet thing to where he can track footprints. It's a little weird, not gonna lie, a little weird. But whatever suits you, man, whatever suits you. Collect some blood. What is that noise? That a generator? What's over here? What's that? They've already woken up Grandpa? Oh no, this thing's... Oh, that's what keeps the thing on. No, I'm gonna leave that. I'm gonna let that be. Oh shit, someone's already downstairs. Someone's already highlighted downstairs. Gotta get through this. Oh, what's up? Why are you running? Well, I can't get them when they're doing that? That's cheap, for real. Get away from Grandpa. Go, run. Why are you standing there yelling, take it? Go, come on. Where'd she go? She went out the back. She went out the back. Come on, man. She's like one hit. She's literally one hit. She likes to hide in bushes, so just gonna Grandpa some blood. Oh, the door. Oh, Grandpa's over here. What am I doing? Here you go, Grandpa. Had some blood for you. There you go. We're at 69 too. That's crazy. I thought that was a person, not gonna lie. Why can't Johnny squeeze through, bro? Or at least hop over shit. Man, he should deadass be allowed to do that. Break this shit down. Boom. And just to let y'all know, we not stopping the hooping shit. It's just for right now, we eventually gonna be hooping. We eventually trying to get it to where we're going to eventually practice together. We probably going to film that. Oh, someone disconnected. Probably going to film that and just go. Like, why can't Johnny squeeze through this shit? He's hurt. I think someone's in the house. Someone just died? What was that? Oh, this thing. It's unlocked. Oh, yeah, it is. Only one person left. Oh, why did I check for footprints, bro? Oh, this is open. There you are. Where you going? It literally just highlighted where he was at. He's over here doing something. You hiding in here? Why ain't no hiding these? Anytime you search them bitches, ain't no one in them. There we go, we got her. We got her. You try to hide in the house? You really try to hide in the house? Really think I wouldn't find you in here? You serious? Johnny always finds his people. Damn, Leatherface doing his little dance. He happy. He a happy boy. Leatherface. Let's find some people. Ooh, got one. I should have hit him though, bruh. I got it. It's not moving. I see someone. I thought I did. Let's destroy this. So if I'm 2 people already down here, I'm 2 of them. What's in here? No. Why are there so many of these barricades? They're really trapping another thing down here. There's no way they got through that. They would have triggered that. Oh no, this is where they came from. Probably that. Get some blood for Grandpa. I can't fit through it. I don't see anybody. Nah, they would have hit that. Did I hit it? I might have. I can't open it. I mean, they couldn't open it either, probably. But needed to go to places. Take it, man. Damn. Destroy this shit. They haven't opened up Grandpa yet, so they're probably trying to get to the door. Yeah, exactly where I was just from. Where door is that? Either all over here, I guess. No one's getting at that door. I heard someone. I heard someone just like straight up moan. I can't open it. My people open certain doors. Come on, we gotta get these people, bro. That's still locked. You gotta destroy some of the doors though, so they can't hit me. God damn, bro, where are they hiding? Oh, they opened this one. Oh, fuck. No, why you do that? God damn it. Come on. Close it. There you go. Doofus, why are you so stupid sometimes? You a doofus? Oh, I thought that was someone. I was about to go crazy. Come on, where you at? Where you at? Why are you just running through? They probably outside, stupid. Come on now. I guarantee you they outside. There's an open area though. Someone up back. Unless that was him. The hitchhiker. The basement escaped open? She gonna get there. Oh no, he died. Oh, he tried to leave before he died. He tried to disconnect before he died. Now you go get me. So someone's in here since that one's open. There's a whole bunch of this shit. Hold on, give me a second. Alright, these turn it on. Oh, don't tell me there's 2 people that escaped. 2 people escaped? That means the next person probably right behind him. Come on, man. You can't go down like this. You can't go down like this. Oh, there's a fence. Why is there a random fence in there? Come on. No, let's just play. Let's just don't hurt nobody. We don't hurt people. He'll just wear your face. Hitchhiker, will you stop someone to see? Ain't nobody get out of here. Why is it always like one-way exits and one-way entrances? This hitchhiker sucks. He's not paying attention at all. Get out of here. There's literally someone inside upstairs. And this dude doing nothing about it. Someone's got the fuse box. That's how they got the fuse for the door. Like that shit. Is there a way that I can shut it down? Oh, what the? Oh, I thought I was stuck. I thought I got stuck for a minute. Where is the person at? Why do I keep on running into the hitchhiker? I'm going downstairs. door. Wait, what? Wait, what? Y'all saw that? That was 2 people just walking. What happened? Wait a minute, what? There was just 2 people crawling out the wall. I know y'all saw that. There was just 2 people crawling out the wall. What? Well, alright guys. I'll see y'all on the next one. Y'all can leave in the comments on what games y'all would want me to play. But after that, see y'all on the next one.